Hiya, how you doing? Here's one for you. Lego Creator Tuk Tuk. £8.99, 2021, January. 40469, 155 pieces. Who doesn't want a tuk tuk in the Lego life? So yeah, go for it. Set off for that one. I'll last put it together. What do you get? You get this little baby. Do you know, it's a good little bit of a kit. Anybody that's been over to the Far East, you know what a tuk tuk is. And take your life in your hands, get amongst the traffic, get where you want to go. Who wants a taxi when you can get a tuk tuk? Yeah, I like it. That's the only reason I got it. So you can't beat a good fire extinguisher either, can you? So I don't think I've ever seen one of them as a real tuk tuk, but there you go. Bit of license. Yeah, plenty of colour, lots of little pieces. Yeah, it's really quite attractive. You know what I mean? I don't think I've ever seen a luggage rack on a tuk tuk either, but yeah, we like this. There's a lot of good little kits out there, like my road sweeper. I think there's a taxi out there now and a tractor. Lots of little ones, but tuk tuk, yeah, £8.99, 155 pieces. Lovely Sunday afternoon, 20-minute put together with a coffee when it's raining. Yeah, and you get 2 tassels with it as well. Alright, see you later, bye. Alright, welcome to old Charlie's Lego Magic.